Typeof operator in TypeScript will return type, and available types are string, number, begin, boolean symbol, undefined object, and function. So basically, if you are writing type of hello world and hello world is a string, you will get back a string. And the most common use case is when you're using an object and the key can be, for example, a string or a number. In this case, when you use it in function, TypeScript don't know if it's you're passing a string or number, and you get an error that you cannot use plus sign to a string. To fix it, we can use typeof operator. So we say if type of id equals to string, we will say id will be number. So we're basically transforming our string to a number. In this case, TypeScript will for sure know that's an ID and number, and there will be no error. I hope this helps. Have a great day.